Hey, it's Dan, health coach at Epic Functional Medicine, bringing you guys an epic quick tip today. And May is Mental Health Awareness Month. So, wanted to talk about how mental health can really tie in profoundly and powerfully with our physical health and why it's so important to consider that. A key theme I'll be sharing in some of these quick tips this month is that, as one author puts it, the body keeps score. So when we have chronic stress over time, just because of our circumstances, or especially past hardships and trauma that we think we've dealt with and moved past or have maybe have buried, it can still mess up our system and keep it, just to use some general terms, stuck tight, like it can't move forward and heal. And it can be a very interesting, tricky thing to navigate. And so I just wanted to mention today to consider something called DNRS. It's called Dynamic Neural Retraining System. It is a self self-practiced mental health therapy of sorts that is a little bit different, and that's not just counseling, but there is a neural connection with it. And this is straight from the website retrainingthebrain.com. That's retrainingthebrain.com. And they say that it's a natural, drug-free, neuroplasticity-based program that can assist in relieving symptoms associated with chronic fatigue syndrome, multiple chemical sensitivities, fibromyalgia, chronic Lyme disease, food sensitivities, anxiety, chronic pain, even more. So it's a pretty wide breadth of symptoms that you might not think, oh, it's a trauma related thing or a mental health related thing. And a lot of these things we can experience has to do with the chronic stress that we have and how it impairs the limbic system. And so that's what's a little bit different about DNRS. And again, I'm just taking this straight from their website, retrainingthebrain.com. They explain the limbic system is a complex set of structures in the midbrain that includes the hypothalamus, hippocampus, amygdala, and cingulate cortex. But basically, in a nutshell, when certain aspects of our brain function becomes impaired and is hypersensitive to certain stress signals and responses, it throws our whole body and our system out of whack. They say, the limbic system assigns emotional significance to everything we see, smell, hear, feel, and taste. It's known as the seat of social and emotional intelligence. It's the brain's anxiety switch. And it's closely integrated with our immune system too. So our defense against disease. It's also tied with hormone regulation and the autonomic nervous system. So kind of the unconscious body processes like your blood sugar and breathing, right? The things that we don't really think about doing, we just do it, it happens. So as you can imagine, if all of that is tied up and not working correctly, or it's just hypersensitive, our whole body's gonna be out of whack. And so DNRS could be something for you to consider and research to look into to see if it would be a good fit for you. One advantage with it is it's something that, to my understanding, you can get training on. There's courses and classes on it. And once you're trained in it, it's something you can do for yourself at home. You don't have to have appointments with somebody to integrate it and practice it in your life and see healing. So that's DNRS in a nutshell. And we'll see you guys next time. Take care.